MSN or DNP. It's one of the first big decisions you'll make on your PMHNP journey. And for a lot of people, it's one of the most stressful ones too, because there's a lot of conflicting information out there. Some people say, get the DNP. It's the future of nursing. While others say, the MSN is perfectly sufficient and the DNP is just more time and more money for the same job. And if you ask 10 different nurses, you'll probably get 10 different answers. So in this video, I'm cutting through it all. We're gonna break down exactly what each degree is and what it actually costs you in time and money, what the differences are in practice, and how to make the right decision for your specific situation and goals. By the end of this video, you'll know which path is right for you. Let's get into it. Before we get into the comparison, let's make sure we're clear on what we're actually talking about. Both the MSN and the DNP are graduate level nursing degrees. Both qualify you to sit for the PMHNP board certification. Both give you full prescribing authority in states that grant it, and both make you a fully licensed psychiatric nurse practitioner. So right away, neither degree makes you less of a PMHNP. Both are legitimate, respected, and widely accepted by employers across every clinical setting. The MSN, Masters of Science in Nursing, is a graduate degree. It has been the standard entry for nurse practitioner practice for decades. It is a clinically focused degree that prepares you directly for patient care. The DNP, Doctor of Nursing Practice, is a doctoral degree. It is the highest clinical degree available for nursing practice. It builds on the MSN foundation and adds coursework and evidence-based practice, healthcare systems, leadership, and a scholarly capstone project. Both paths end at the same destination, a licensed PMHNP. The difference is the journey. Let's talk about time first, because for most people, this is the most immediate factor. An MSN PMHNP program typically takes 2 to 3 years to complete, depending on whether you attend full-time or part-time, and whether you enter with your BSN directly or through a bridge program. A DNP PMHNP program typically takes 3 to 4 years. Some programs offer a post-MSN DNP track for nurses who already hold a master's degree. That can be completed in 2 to 3 years. A BSN to DNP program, going straight from your bachelor's degree to a doctoral degree, generally runs 3 to 4 years full-time. Here's what the time difference actually means in real life. If you start an MSN program today, you could be a licensed practicing PMHNP in 2 to 3 years. If you start a DNP, you're looking at 3 to 4 years. This is 1 to 2 additional years in school before you're seeing patients independently and earning a prescriber salary. For some people, that extra time is absolutely worth it. For others, especially those with financial obligations, families, or who have been in school for a long time already, getting into practice sooner carries real value. Now, let's talk money, because this is where the decision gets real for most people. The average MSN PMHNP program costs between $30,000 to $60,000 total. That range is wide because program costs can vary depending on whether you attend a public or private institution, whether you're an in-state or out-of-state student, and what the program is offering. The average DNP PMHNP program costs between $50,000 to $100,000 total. Again, that range is wide for the same reasons, but the floor and the ceiling are both significantly higher than the MSN. When you factor in the additional 1 to 2 years of tuition, fees, and the opportunity cost of delayed income, total financial difference between the two paths can easily reach $50,000 or more. That is not a reason to automatically choose the MSN, but it is a number worth sitting with seriously before you decide. Clinical hours are the supervised patient care components of your program, and there is a meaningful difference between the two degrees here. MSN PMHNP programs require a minimum of 500 clinical hours, DNP programs require a minimum of 1,000 clinical hours, double the MSN requirement. More clinical hours mean more patient exposure, more supervised practice, and arguably a more seasoned foundation before you enter independent practice. For some people, that additional clinical training is a significant advantage. The trade-off is that more hours mean more time spent on rotations, which adds to the overall length and logistical complexity of the program. Now, after learning the difference between the MSN and DNP, which route is best for you?